In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the related list in Zoho CRM, an important aspect that can streamline your workflow and enhance productivity. If you're using Zoho CRM regularly, knowing how to effectively manage your related lists can greatly impact your efficiency and organization. First, let's start by navigating to any record detail page within Zoho CRM. This could be a page for leads, accounts, or deals, whichever module you're working with. Once you're on the detail page, you might be wondering where to find the related lists. Well, you have two simple options. You can either scroll down directly from where you're viewing, or, for a more organized view, you can click on the Detail View tab. This tab is specifically designed to present sections such as Notes, Activities, Contacts, Deals, and more. These sections represent the default related lists in Zoho CRM, providing a comprehensive view of all related information right at your fingertips. Now, you might want to tailor these related lists to better fit your personal workflow or organizational needs. Zoho CRM allows you to reorder or hide these lists, providing you with the flexibility to create a more personalized experience. So, how do you do this? It's quite straightforward. You'll need to navigate through the module layout. Start by going to Setup, which is the control hub for all customization options. From there, head over to Customization, and then select Modules and Fields. Here, you'll find a list of all the available modules within Zoho CRM. Next, choose the module for which you want to customize the detail view. Once you've selected your desired module, click on Detail View, which will give you access to an option titled Organize Records Details. Through this, you can easily drag and drop the sections according to your priority, thereby reordering or even choosing to hide sections that might not be immediately relevant. That's essentially how you manage related lists in Zoho CRM. This level of customization ensures that you or your team spend less time searching for information and more time on what truly matters, closing deals and nurturing leads. By aligning the CRM interface with your specific needs, you'll enhance not only your productivity, but also ensure that you maintain a clutter-free work environment. And remember, the ability to adapt and organize your tools can often be the key to maximizing their potential. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps you get the most out of Zoho CRM. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials to keep your CRM skills sharp.